guys, I am back after a long time. My last video was around Halloween time, and you know, things happen, life happens. I've had a lot going on in my personal life, back home, school. School is so busy, so I am finally able to film, which is really exciting. But today's not going to be a makeup look. Today's actually going to be something that involves something else that I do on campus. Today's video is going to be all about my pink campus rep position, and one of the new launches that'll be coming out very soon is the new Pink Beauty, which I have my box right here. I am so excited about this. Like, y'all have no idea. Like, it is so exciting. They actually just rebranded all of their new beauty, so it's having like a whole new packaging and a whole new look to it. So I think you guys will really enjoy it. I got a sneak peek from some of the other campus reps. I was sick, and so I wasn't able to get my other co-rep, and now I finally got it tonight. So happy. I am filming this because I just wanted to do something a little different. I'm trying to get back into filming, trying to figure out what to do. Honestly, my background is the cat is like pushing it right now and it's like moving. I have this old like clothing rack that just didn't hold my stuff anymore, and I am using that to hold up a towel. I'm literally using a towel as my backdrop, and it's honestly really funny. And Nova, do you want to say hello? Come here. So this is Mallory's cat, Nova. She honestly like likes the film, like when I'm filming or when I'm taking pictures. It's honestly really funny because she just is always hanging out with me. Like, she'll sit on my lap, or sometimes she'll like sit in the background. Oh my gosh, Nova, see, she's very like curious as to like what's going on right now and what everything she's looking at. But because all my lights are on, can you move your tail, please? Please and thank you. Please move. Please. Thank you. Anyways, I am gonna unbox the box now. Here is the box. When you open it up, if I can get it open, right here says #Pink Beauty, which is super cute. So when you take this off, there's a styrofoam piece underneath, but then it's showing everything that's on the inside. This is super exciting. It even comes with like a little pamphlet, tells you all what's in it, and this is my beauty box. As you can see, there are 2 bath bombs. We have a coconut oil hydrating body lotion, a coconut oil body wash, a mist, and 2 really cute looking face masks. Oh, I'm so excited to try these. I bet they smell amazing. Now, obviously, they're not selling it in a bundle like that, and I was just given this. All of the Pink campus reps were, and we are promoting it on our social medias and trying to get people to go out and buy it. And so I think it's really cute that they put this little pamphlet in there, because it tells you everything that's in there and gives you some more details. So I'm gonna go one by one. So the first one is this coconut oil. So I'm just gonna try a little bit out on camera if it'll come out. Okay, am I doing something wrong? Oh, there we go. It smells really good. Like, it doesn't smell like tanning lotion, you know? That kind of gets annoying. Like, I'm just not the biggest fan of tanning oils and tanning lotions because they just smell horrible. And this smells really good. It feels really moisturizing, honestly. I put a little too much on, but I mean, it feels really. Anyways, moving on with the pamphlet, it is calling this product this dreamy cream is straight up magical. It's infused with coconut oil and aloe for full body softness and moisturization, all whipped up for a cloud-like feel. I definitely agree with that. So I've always used their stuff and it's always amazing, but they're really stepping it up with like the aesthetic, which I'm really enjoying. Whoa. So if you can't see, it's like all separated, which is what it shows, is that when it would sit around, it'll be pink all on the bottom and all the white will go to the top. It's a dual phase body wash. Oh, that's funny. I don't know if you guys can see it, but on the back it says, "Hey, nice coconuts," and it's like somebody's typing back. Okay, that's really cute. I think you just like shake it up then. I mean, it smells the same as this one before, honestly. But so this is the Soap and Skin coconut oil, and on here it is soft and silky feeling skin is just a rinse away. Milky coconut oil, gentle cleansing foam equals an extra bubbly skin loving lather. Shake, wash, rinse, obsess. I'm excited to start trying this out. Honestly, it smells really good. Next product in the box is the new pink body mist, and it's called Urban Bouquet, Wild Daisy and Driftwood. Super cute packaging, very simple. Oh, that's so cute. On the back it says pedal to the metal. It has like a little bouquet. It looks like a trash can, honestly, but I think it's super cute. I'm gonna spray it. Let's see what it smells like. Pair it to one of their old style mists. So like here's the tube side by side. Like they're very similar. I wonder if they're gonna start doing that with all these mists and change them into looking like these ones. Not really sure, but it would be really nice to see a new change and make them all a lot better. Yeah, next two items are the two new bath bombs, which are Unicorn Vibes and Dream Dip. The Unicorn Vibes says it is sweet and soft. It smells like vanilla sugar, which I love vanilla scented things. The other one is Dream Dip, which is tropical and fresh and smells like sugared coconut. Last two products that were sent to us are the new face masks, and so we have this one that it says charcoals. So it says this one, the star ingredient is charcoal. The fact that charcoal is a natural clarifier, and it's our favorite way to ditch dull skin and hit refresh. And the next one is Selfie Skin. Is the star ingredient is coconut oil, famous as a mega moisturizer. This powered fruit nourishes and softens. So I'm really excited. It also says to leave it on for 15 minutes, remove your mask, but don't rinse, massage any excess product into skin. So I'm really excited to see how these all work. I want to thank you guys so much for coming and watching this video. It means so much to me. Please give it a like, give it a dislike. Honestly, if you really didn't like it, it's not gonna hurt my feelings. Pretty tough egg to crack. But yeah, I would appreciate those. Would subscribe, and yeah, I look forward to making more videos and content for you all. So I do have a few videos planned. I'm hoping to do the yoga challenge with my sister. That's gonna be entertaining. So thank you guys very much for being here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Like, I think that's what everybody's here for. And Nova, get your tail out of the shot. Here's the box. I'm so excited for you guys to see what's going on. Nova, excuse me. Excuse me, can you please move? You're ruining the video. It's soothing, and it smells really good. It's a very subtle coconut flavor. Wow. You know it's really late when I'm saying flavor instead of smell. Oh my god, I can't do this. How do YouTubers YouTube? I don't know yet.